Hey guys, today in the garden we're going to be catching up on some garden chores. We've had over a week of rain and everything's been growing a lot, including the weeds. I don't know how much of that I'll show. I already mowed all the rows and weed-eated, and I'm going to be weeding everything, but that's not much fun to watch. We're going to show, I've got 2 more beds of potatoes we're going to go ahead and harvest, and also a bed full of garlic, which I never showed planting that, but I planted that before I even started this channel, and it's ready to harvest, so that'll be fun. Also, those Mexican petunias we started or transplanted this winter into bigger pots, I'm finally going to get around to putting those in the ground, and I'll probably do a little time lapse showing that kind of hedge of those going in. So hope y'all enjoy. Well, I don't know how well that showed up on video, but I got them planted about an inch down. It went from clay to base course, just sandy, gravelly, terrible stuff, which these Mexican petunias are supposed to be real hardy. I think they'll grow just fine, but it did make it very interesting to try to dig them all. And that's only half. I got another half to go. Don't know if I'll show that or not, but here we go. So that does it. There's some potatoes and garlic, and I thought it was interesting. This bed, the second bed I show, is some old store-bought compost, and the first bed was some homegrown compost, which I like the consistency of the homegrown way better, and it looks like it produced more. I think the biggest difference I saw between the two was there was probably almost 3 times the plant matter on the homegrown compost than there was on the store-bought. And then this also got a lot of little spots. I don't know if that's some kind of fungus or something growing on the potatoes. I'll have to look that up or something, see what it is. And then our garlic, which we had a couple that kind of burst open. I'm not sure what's going on there. I think it's all that late rain. They decided they wanted to start growing again, and just everything started swelling and breaking apart, but most of them look good. And fun thing with the fresh garlic, when you go to peel it and use it fresh, it peels super duper easy. You just pretty much just squeeze them and they pop right out, and no fuss, don't have to crush them, nothing, just squeeze them out, which we're going to do that early on and do a bunch of pickled garlic. That way we can peel it all real easy when it's fresh, and then later when we go to use it, we can just pull it out of the jar and cut it up in whatever we're using it in. But I think that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.